the polka dot plant, and an introduction to its varieties. Hello. In this video, we intend to introduce you to the polka dot plant and explore its various types. So stay with us until the end of the video. The polka dot plant is a small yet striking plant with distinctive spotted leaves. Most varieties of the polka dot plant have pink leaves with green spots, creating an exceptional combination, but there are other varieties with spots in purple, white, red, or other colors. Some cultivators even develop unique colors that are particularly eye-catching. Caring for the polka dot plant is not difficult, but since it is native to tropical regions, it may not thrive as a perennial in all areas, and you might need to replace it annually. The best time to plant this species is in the spring. It's important to note that the polka dot plant has a moderate growth rate and remains small and compact even at maturity, especially when grown indoors. Types of polka dot plants. In addition to the main variety of the polka dot plant, there are other varieties, each with unique and beautiful leaf colorations. Some of these types include Camina. Among the polka dot plant varieties, Camina is notable for its dark green leaves with red spots. Confetti. This variety of the polka dot plant has green leaves with spots that can be white, pink, red, or burgundy. Splash. The splash variety features green leaves adorned with drop-like spots in pink, red, or white. Here are instructions for the polka dot plant. In summary, when it comes to caring for the beautiful polka dot plant, it's important to provide a warm and humid environment, which is essential for its healthy growth. This plant prefers regular watering and fertilization during the growing season and may become leggy over time, but fortunately you can encourage bushier growth with timely and proper pruning. To ensure your polka dot plant remains consistently beautiful and vibrant, it's crucial to adhere to and consider vital factors such as light, watering, and other care aspects detailed below. Light requirements for polka dot plant care. If you're keeping the polka dot plant outdoors, it's best to place it somewhere with partial shade. Excessive sunlight can actually cause the plant's leaves to fade. However, if you're keeping the plant indoors, you'll need to provide ample but indirect or filtered light. The polka dot plant can tolerate some direct or low light during the day, but prolonged low light can lead to leaf fading or legginess. For this reason, an east or south-facing window in the house is suitable for the plant, providing adequate light. Soil. The polka dot plant prefers to thrive in organic, rich soil with good drainage. Any combination of organic soil is suitable for this plant. Regarding drainage, if you want better drainage, you can use perlite or pumice in the soil mix. Watering cycle for polka dot plant care. The soil of the polka dot plant should always be moist but not waterlogged. This means you need to ensure that the soil is neither too dry nor too wet, as excessively dry soil can cause the plant to wither and eventually die over time. Similarly, overly wet soil can lead to root rot and the death of the plant. In winter, however, gradually reduce the watering frequency as the plant is in a resting phase and requires less water. Instead, once the next growing season arrives, return to the regular watering routine. Temperature and humidity requirements for polka dot plant care. The polka dot plant requires a temperature range of approximately 21 to 26 degrees Celsius, 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Therefore, if you keep your plant outdoors, you should bring it indoors before the onset of winter frosts. Regarding humidity, it's worth noting that the polka dot plant thrives in a humid environment, and prefers to live in a place where the humidity is above 50%. Fertilization. The polka dot plant is a plant that greatly benefits from nutrition. Therefore, whether you're keeping it in the garden or in a pot, it's essential to fertilize it. If you've planted your plant in the garden, you can mix some compost with the soil every spring to provide sufficient nutrients. Alternatively, if your polka dot plant lives in a pot indoors, you can use organic plant fertilizers specifically designed for indoor plants on a monthly basis during the growing season. It's worth mentioning that a standard fertilizer with a 2:0:2:0:20:0 ratio is also a suitable choice for use as a polka dot plant fertilizer. Pruning. As mentioned, the polka dot plant is highly prone to becoming leggy, and to prevent this issue, it requires pruning. You don't need any special tools for this task, and you can simply pinch off the top 2 leaves of each stem weekly with your fingernails. Pruning the polka dot plant will encourage stronger and healthier growth from the pruned area. Flowering. The polka dot plant is among the indoor plants that also bloom, but the attractiveness of its flowers is not as significant as its leaves. In fact, this plant is more renowned for its beautiful foliage. Therefore, you can prune the flowers of the polka dot plant to focus the plant's energy on healthy and vigorous leaf growth. It's the leaves that are the strength of this plant, and, indeed, the main factor of its beauty. Toxicity of the polka dot plant. Generally, the polka dot plant is non-toxic and is considered harmless to humans, dogs, cats, and even wildlife. It does not pose a risk of poisoning. However, this does not mean that consuming this plant will not cause any problems. Ingesting large amounts of its leaves or stems may lead to digestive issues. Propagation of the polka dot plant. To propagate this plant, you can use 2 methods: sowing seeds or stem cutting. If you choose to sow seeds, you should start by soaking the seeds in early spring, then transfer them to moist and warm soil to germinate after a few days. After 1 or 2 weeks, when the seeds have grown enough, you can transplant them into pots. However, if you prefer the second method for propagating the polka dot plant, you'll need a healthy and strong stem, approximately 10 centimeters long, from the plant. After finding the desired stem and cutting it, dip the end of the stem into rooting hormone and then plant it in warm and moist soil. After about a week, your cutting will develop roots and begin to grow. Pests and diseases during polka dot plant care. There are no specific diseases associated with the polka dot plant, but in terms of pests, insects such as whiteflies, mealybugs, or spider mites can attack your plant. When these pests infest the polka dot plant, its leaves may appear discolored, speckled, or overall unhealthy. Therefore, if you observe any such symptoms, it's essential to take prompt action to eliminate the pests. The polka dot plant with its colorful and beautiful leaves can be an excellent choice for decorating your home or workplace. By following simple care tips and precautions, you can enjoy having a vibrant and healthy plant. We hope this video has been helpful to you and assists you in better caring for your polka dot plant. If you have any questions or experiences with caring for this plant, be sure to share them with us in the comments section. Until the next video, stay successful.